Firstly, check the sizing of your benchtops. If your walls are out of square, you may need to plane down some edges of the benchtop slightly. If you have a joint in your benchtops will come with benchtop connectors and the benchtop joining provisions pre-drilled. Lay your benchtops in place. Apply a bead of silicone to the top, bottom and front of one of the raw edges. Use a spanner to tighten the bolts on the benchtop connector, checking the benchtop edges are level as you tighten. The silicone will expand out of the joint, helping to form a smooth and water-resistant seal at the joint. Spray a silicone smoothing agent or a water and detergent solution over the silicone and wipe the excess off using a silicone scraper. Use a rubber mallet to make sure benchtops are flush together. Next, secure the benchtop to your cabinets. At the front of the cabinets, drill 3mm pilot holes up through the cabinet rail. Using 28mm screws, screw from the inside of the cabinet up through the rail into the benchtop to secure in place. At the back of the cabinets, there are pre-installed benchtop brackets. Using 28mm screws, screw up through the brackets into the benchtop to secure in place. If you need to do a cutout in your benchtop for a sink or cooktop, do this now.